pata wey dey inside fridge.
Okay.
Do fast o.
Irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run.
All this food where you dey chop now, where you want put am?
E concern you. E concern you. Shebi say you no need second. You see this one, e go come life. If you like am or not, e go come.
Shebi you go born am. You come up.
Na your papa put am now. Na my fault. No be my fault. As you see am so, that second way you no wan get, you go get.
Irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run.
You go come up for house now. Shebi you go leave am.
As they come out, all of us dey gather come out now because I remain there.
You go kill this pikin with all this thing wey dey shop
You
now.
no go die. Nothing go do am. You see this fufu wey dey so, I go finish am. I go finish this fish. I go drink everything. The water, another one wey remain here, I never finish am.
So you mean say na this boy wan chop all these things? Na this boy need all these things? Abi na me?
No concern you. No concern you. That's the way no one there you go get am. Come on here. Where am I?
Oh yeah, make I drink pure water.
No be only pure water. You see this pure water sef, me sef I need am pass you.
You no fit chop all these things finish now.
Stop waiting.
You no fit chop am finish.
No dey tell me like that, I go finish am.
See fly on top your.
You no leave am for me. Leave am for me. Wait loss, I dey come back for you o. I dey come back for you.
Irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run.
Daddy, weight loss. Bye, Suya. No put onions. No let weight loss follow you.
Hey!
Put the onions on top of table. Put the suya on top of table.
How come you hear of this?
Weight loss. Weight loss.
Ma.
Come scratch my back for me.
Yeah.
This side. Scratch here for me. You want pee the back? Take her easy now. Eh?
Where for there?
This side. Weight loss, what's happen now? Now reason we put for your hand. It's so free. Leave that side. Come do this please. Come scratch here. That's my leg. This my leg.
How come you hear of this?
Scratch am for me. Weight loss, softly. Just dey do am like this. Softly. Leave am. Go bring me that bread wey dey on top of fridge.
Okay.
Do fast o.
Irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run.
Why you go give me bread without pure water? Go bring me pure water. Hot one. What's happening now? Eh? Why you not bring me coffee water?
You no tell me say make I bring coffee water now.
I better take and go inside, go give me coffee water. Hi. Oh. Weight loss. Weight loss. Eh? Eh? What's happening now? Go bring me hot and cold pure water. Eh? Go give me hot and cold pure water. I want this your brother wants. Beg you fast.
Hot and cold pure water. I want to see that one now.
Go bring her for me.
Oh. Well, I don't know what I could do. You see this part? I will put them for inside the fire. This one. I'll put them for.
Anyhow you want to do and go give me that hot and cold pure water. Answer me quick. I better answer me quick.
This speaking, we shall come after one day. Hot and cold.
Weight loss. Weight loss. Which one be this one again now? Eh? Which one be this one again? I say hot and cold pure water. Eh? You dey bring me cold pure water. You want kill this your brother?
You don't stop.
You go where I send you.
Shebi this pikin go come live now. You go see message.
He go come live. I think you no want to make come. You go come live. You no want get second. You go get am. Oh yeah, answer me. Take this pure water. Do fast. Go bring me hot and cold pure water.
No hot and cold pure water.
Weight loss.
The company they do have again.
They don't sweat for you. Eh? Weight loss. Go give me the rice wey dey for inside kitchen.
Which rice?
That rice wey dey inside kitchen.
Rice wey don chop finish. Abi the one wey remain.
Which kind problem be this one now? Weight loss.
Which rice again?
Eh? Hey, that one. You see that play where you want go play? For your friend place. That game where they hungry you to play. Hey. You no go anywhere. Na me born you. You go do everything when I send you. Weight loss. Weight loss. Weight loss. You know me, oh. You know me.
Mama, I don't fat. I know the weight loss again. The weight loss. I don't fat anyway now.
Na me name you that name. You no fit change am for me.
Good. Which kind thing be this one now? Which kind thing be this one now? See, I don't know that driver self. If I know that driver, my eyes see that driver. Yeah, I don't know why. The conductor self stupid. As I dey come live, he reach out to Lagos bus stop. Lagos bus stop. They come push me down. See where I come. Imagine. See name.
Enter inside, go give me wetin I send you. Yeah, if you shout finish, you go bring wetin I send you.
Dubai bus stop no dey there. See, Alabama bus stop no dey there. Island bus stop no dey there. See.
Enter inside. Go give me wetin I send you.
The company no dey do am again.
Okay. Weight loss.
Hey!
Weight loss.
Ma.
Come carry this thing, go through it for me. Go through this thing for me. What's here? What loss? What's happen now?
Yeah.
What you gonna do you now? Weight loss?
Mommy,
Eh?
my hand dey pain me.
What you gonna pay you now? Why I send you message now? Now this thing can't pay you.
Male, no fit understand. My hand, it just bend now. I no fit do anything. Mommy, make I go straight this thing. These people dey outside wey dey straight am.
Weight loss.
Mommy, you don see my weight don loss already. Make I go do my hand.
ayé mi tèmi bá mi.